Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Project Pan 2024 Meet the Products. I have quite a few products that I am still working on from previous year. So I'm going to go through those first. I'm going to add a bunch of new products, which is just pretty ambitious, but we are going to get through this. Let's just jump right in. LA Colors Lip Mask. Some of these products since the last final update haven't had much progress. I haven't really been wearing makeup much because I was sick for 2 weeks and then I hurt my leg, and yeah, just certainly didn't feel like doing any makeup stuff. Wet n Wild Breakup Eyeliner. It's almost gone. So I'm just going to keep working through these products until they are done. The Benefit Roller Lash, still in. It's almost done though. I have the NYX Single Eyeshadow in Pure Skin still. It's close. I think we can finish this year. I have the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Powder, still working on it. Few more uses in that. The Milani Prep and Brighten Rose Face Oil, and there's our current marking. So we're getting through it slowly but surely. Once again, it's an oil, so you don't need much. The NYX Marshmallow Primer, still in. Here is the new mark because the product goes up. So I'm almost done with this product. The Rimmel Kate's highlighter, bronzer, and blush trio thing in Coral Glow. So I'm still working on this blush. It's such a beautiful blush that I can't not. And I'll probably continue to use this, and hopefully it doesn't break because it does look like it's coming away from the pan. If it breaks, I'm just going to be done. I don't want to deal with it, even though it's a really pretty blush. But yeah, that's that. And then I have the LA Colors I Heart Makeup Contour Palette still in. And I've set my focus only on the highlighter. So hopefully we'll finish that up this year. Hopefully before the middle of the year, honestly. Or get closer to being done. So we'll see. And yeah, bronzer's gone and I'm not using that one anymore. And we're just going to focus on the highlighter. The Hardy Candy Primer Spray. Here's the mark for that. I only use this for wetting eyeshadows, so slowly working our way through that. And this I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray in Vanilla and Coconut. Here's the mark for this product. So super close to being done, and a lot of these products will be on their way out pretty quickly. Very happy and grateful for that. Now we're going to move on to the new products. So I'm going to roll in 8 new products for this new year. This is from Temu. It's a lip oil. And there's our mark. Also Temu. This is a peach scented mascara. It smells good. It's kind of like the Lash Blast brush from CoverGirl, so it's not terrible. It's from this brand called She Does, but we're going to use this up. I'm going to get some of my makeup numbers down this year. So 2 eyebrow products. These actually are kind of like a pair from Profusion. The Good Brow Day Brow Gel, and same thing for this, it's just the pencil part. There's a lot of product left in this, so I'm only going to use this probably as long as I'm using this because they're kind of paired together. I don't really particularly like that gel on its own. And there is so little product left in this brow pencil. I have a concealer, the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. Here's our mark. And I started noticing that you can see through the packaging. So I thought now is a good opportunity to throw this in a project pan and completely be done with this product. It's a great concealer, by the way, but it's so close to being done, we're just gonna call it a day. The L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Dew Mist. This is an odor product to my collection, but it's still good. I liked it for a while, but here's where we are, and I'm going to attempt to use this up. If I don't use it on my face, I'll probably use it to wet eyeshadows or get as close to using it up as we can because it is an odor product. I want to see how much I can actually use of it, and you shake it up and it mixes and you have some glowy skin spray. Although I do have a NYX primer, I'm going to put in the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And primers, concealers, and stuff like that is one thing. Oh, and my powders that I wanted to work on kind of downgrading the number. And another reason why I throw this in is because it's already kind of hit pan. So we're going to finish using this up along with that marshmallow primer. The last product I'm adding this year is this is going to be a rolling project pan too, so as we use products up, we're going to rotate more new products in. So last product for this initial Meet the Products is the I Heart Revolution. This is their Peach Under Eye Powder, and this smells like peaches. It smells really good. This is a great powder, but I am going to finish using it up. It is one of my, I didn't mark this or anything because it's you know, it's a powder. It's kind of hard to mark anyways, and it's about halfway finished, and it was my lowest powder, so I decided to throw this one in. Even though I do love it, we're gonna use it up. For all over face too, it's a really good powder. I did get a little distracted while counting, but I believe I counted 18 products. I can't wait to work my way through these and then rotate new products in as we go. That's my favorite part. Like, how many products are we going to use up this year? I'm so excited. I hope you enjoyed this Project Pan 2024 Meet the Products. Stay tuned for updates on all these products. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. And thank you guys so very much for watching.